Day 15 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2024 sees the first release of a Phase 2 501st Legion Clone Trooper minifig. This appeared in the 75002 ATRT set and the 75004 Z95 Headhunter sets from 2013. The 501st Legion, initially created as the 501st Clone Battalion under the Grand Army of the Republic, later joined the Imperial Army as the 501st Imperial Legion, the 501st Stormtrooper Legion, and it was nicknamed Vader's Fist. The 501st was an elite Stormtrooper Legion during the Imperial era under command of the Dark Lord of the Sith himself, Darth Vader. Phase 1 Clone Trooper armour was the armour worn by the Clone Troopers of the Grand Army during the very early stages of the Clone Wars. To humans, the Clone Troopers armour appeared to be overall white, but to its designers, the Kaminoans, the Clone Trooper armour had many colours due to them seeing in an ultraviolet spectrum of light. The Phase 1 armour was later replaced by Phase 2 as the Clone Wars progressed. Phase 1 armour was heavy, uncomfortable and not well liked by the Clone Troopers, hence it often being referred to as a body bucket. Its inconvenience was due to the Kaminoans' lack of knowledge of the human anatomy. It did, however, have coolant systems to prevent overheating, and it also included enhanced breathing filters inside the T-visor. The Phase 2 armour was introduced around 21 years before the Battle of Yavin and slowly replaced the Phase 1. The new armour incorporated a more advanced air filtration system, an oxygen supply system, polarised lenses and an annunciator to make the speech much more comprehensible. In addition, the boots were magnetised and incorporated a grav field alternator to ensure stability. Another useful feature was that the armour and bodysuit could be pressurised, providing temporary protection against non-breathable atmospheres.